I wake up. I wake up. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I make my bed. I make my bed. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry myself with a towel. I dry myself with a towel. I get dressed. I get dressed. I brush my hair. I brush my hair. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink water. I drink water. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I say goodbye. I say goodbye. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives. The bus arrives. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I sit down. I sit down. I look out the window. I look out the window. I listen to music. I listen to music. I get off the bus. I get off the bus. I walk to my school. I walk to my school. I walk to my office. I walk to my office. I arrive at 8 o'clock. I arrive at 8 o'clock. I say hello to my friends. I I say hello to my friends. I go to my desk. I go to my desk. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I start my work. I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. I listen to the teacher. I listen to the teacher. I ask a question. I ask a question. I talk to my coworker. I talk to my coworker. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I eat lunch. I eat lunch. I go back to work. I go back to work. I study English. I study English. I read a book. I read a book. I take a break. I take a break. I finish work. I finish work. I leave the office. I leave the office. I walk home. I walk home. I open the door. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I say hello to my family. I say hello to my family. I relax on the couch. I relax on the couch. I watch TV. I watch TV. I play a game. I play a game. I call my friend. I call my friend. I help with dinner. I help with dinner. I eat with my family. I eat with my family. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I take a shower. I take a shower. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I wash my face. I change into my pajamas. I change into my pajamas. I read a book. I read a book. I set my alarm. I set my alarm. I turn off the light. I turn off the light. I lie down. I lie down. I go to sleep. I go to sleep. Good night. Good night. Good job today. Now you can talk about your whole day in English, from waking up to going to sleep. Practice these sentences every day to become more confident. Subscribe to English Time and click the bell to get more new videos every week. Like this video and share it with your friends. Tell us in the comments, what do you do in your day? Say it in English. Thanks for watching and have a great day.